The void in Helldivers is a sentient, expanding force that corrupts planets and alters their skies into nightmares. Super Earth's mission is to document its influence, destroy its defenses, and reclaim corrupted galaxies. The void isn't just a black hole, it's a political weapon reshaping space itself. Super Earth didn't just build a wormhole. They defied the void's unnatural laws. The Illuminates void isn't a black hole. It's an expanding, warping entity that distorts space itself. To enter, our scientists reverse-engineered stolen Illuminate data, using their corrupted tech twisted by the void's influence to create a fragile gateway. Every second it holds, we gain time to strike back, but if it collapses, we're trapped forever. In space, planets naturally drift over centuries, guided by gravity and cosmic currents. But the void in Helldivers doesn't just let them go, it pulls them in violently, like a black hole with a mind of its own. It's not natural decay, it's an act of war. Super Earth scientists studied Illuminate voteless remnants from past invasions to understand this phenomenon. These creatures don't just corrupt planets, they rewrite their orbits, bending space to serve their dark order. Every planet drawn in becomes another pawn in their expansion. Super Earth flips the script. Instead of waiting for the Illuminate to attack, we strike first. The void isn't just a threat, it's an active force, warping planets and spreading like a creeping darkness. Our mission? Document their crimes, dismantle their strongholds, and reach the source planet, once called Cece, before it's too late. This is about survival, justice, and stopping corruption no matter the cost. Helldivers is testing a bold new approach, randomized missions inside the void. Instead of following a scripted path, players face dynamic objectives, like clearing enemy structures to unlock extraction sites or documenting corruption. This isn't just about survival. It's about adapting strategy on the fly. Why? Because the void doesn't play by Super Earth's rules. Every objective is a puzzle, forcing players to think like commanders, not just soldiers. It's uncharted territory literally and strategically, and we're here to see how it reshapes the game. Cece's just the origin of the voids, the key to stopping it. Super Earth believes that liberating this corrupted world will sever the void's grip on space itself, pulling back planets that were violently drawn into its grasp. But here's the catch. The longer Helldivers linger, the more the Illuminates adapt, turning Cece into a shifting battlefield of ruins and traps. Every structure destroyed weakens their control, but every moment spent there risks becoming part of their game. This isn't just about survival, it's about strategy. Clear enemy defenses to unlock extraction sites, document their war crimes, and force the void to reveal its true nature or risk becoming another pawn in its expansion. The void isn't just a space anomaly. It's an active force reshaping planets in real time. Imagine standing on a world where the sky is void, not stars, and the ground beneath you is unstable, shifting like a living organism. In Helldivers, this phenomenon alters entire ecosystems, turning once thriving worlds into twisted battlefields of Illuminate ruins and corrupted tech. Super Earth's mission here isn't just about survival. It's about documenting these changes to expose the Illuminate's war crimes. Every structure destroyed weakens their control, but every moment spent in the void risks becoming part of a larger trap. The question is, can Helldivers liberate Cece and sever the void's grip on space itself, or will they become another pawn in its expansion? Imagine a cosmic black hole that isn't just dark, it's a political weapon, reshaping galaxies. That's the void in Helldivers, and it's rewriting the rules of intergalactic conflict. Unlike traditional space battles, this isn't about stars or planets. The sky here is void, not stars, and the ground beneath you shifts like a living organism. Super Earth is risking everything to stop this threat because liberating Cece, the origin of the void, could sever its grip on space itself. But the longer Helldivers linger, the more the Illuminates adapt, turning Cece into a shifting battlefield of ruins and traps. Every structure destroyed weakens their control, but every moment spent there risks becoming part of their game. This isn't just about survival, it's about strategy. Clear enemy defenses to unlock extraction sites or document corruption, exposing the Illuminate's war crimes. The question is, can Helldivers liberate Cece and stop the void's expansion, or will they become another pawn in its game? You've heard it called a black hole, a cosmic abyss swallowing light and stars. But in Helldivers, the void is far more dangerous than that. It's not just a void of darkness. It's an active force reshaping planets, altering ecosystems, and turning once thriving worlds into twisted battlefields. Super-Earth isn't just fighting to stop an invasion. It's battling a phenomenon that's rewriting the rules of space itself. The longer Helldivers linger on Cece, the more the Illuminates adapt, turning the planet into a shifting maze of ruins and traps. Every structure destroyed weakens their control, but every moment spent there risks becoming part of their gain. This isn't just about survival, it's about strategy. Clear enemy defenses to unlock extraction sites or document corruption, exposing the Illuminates' war crimes. The question is, can Helldivers liberate Cece and sever the Void's grip on space, or will they become another pawn in its expansion? In Helldivers, the Void isn't just a threat, it's a test of tactics. Clearing enemy structures doesn't just weaken defenses, it unlocks optional extraction sites, giving Helldivers a strategic advantage. Think of it like solving a puzzle mid-battle. Every structure destroyed brings you closer to safer escape routes. But here's the catch: the Illuminates adapt, shifting their defenses and turning Cece into a dynamic battlefield. This isn't just about survival. It's about outsmarting an enemy that reshapes the planet itself. Can Helldivers exploit these mechanics to liberate Cece, or will the Void's instability turn their strategy against them? Imagine stepping onto a planet that shouldn't exist, a world twisted by an unseen force, where the ground pulses like a living thing and the sky is a void of absolute darkness. This isn't just another battlefield. It's Cece, the source of the Void, a planet reshaped into a labyrinth of ruins and traps. The Illuminates don't just defend, here they adapt, turning every structure you destroy into a new threat. Super-Earth sent us here to stop them, but the longer we stay, the more Cece feels like it's alive, shifting beneath our feet. This isn't about survival. It's about outsmarting an enemy that rewrites the rules of war mid-battle. Imagine a cosmic black hole that isn't just dark, it's an active force reshaping galaxies. That's the Void in Helldivers, and is rewriting the rules of intergalactic conflict. The Illuminates, a rogue faction, have weaponized this phenomenon, turning once thriving planets into twisted battlefields. Super-Earth isn't just fighting an invasion, it's battling a force that alters ecosystems and turns worlds into shifting mazes. Every structure Helldivers destroy weakens the Illuminates' control, but the longer they linger on Cece, the source planet, the more the Illuminates adapt, turning the battlefield against them. This isn't just about survival, it's about strategy. Clearing enemy defenses unlocks optional extraction sites, giving Helldivers a tactical edge. But the Void is unstable, and every moment spent there risks becoming part of its expansion.